This is part 2 of the story السارق الذي سرق, the robber who got robbed. So if you haven't heard that story yet, go back to part 1 of this video and listen to that story and then come back and we will look at the new words. So let's look at these words one by one. السارق means the robber. It is اسم الفاعل from سرق يسرق, which is a verb. سرق يسرق means to rob. As you can see in the title and in the first sentence, the word سرق and سرق are used. So سرق and سرق, it means the same thing, but these are actually different forms of the same verb. The form سرق is the passive form of the verb, which means he got robbed, while the word سرق is the active form of the verb, which means he robbed someone or he stole something. So that is the difference. للصاني, here سرق للصاني حمارة. للصاني is from لص. It is the dual form of لص, which means a thief. لص in Arabic means a thief, and للصاني, as you know, is the dual form. If you want to convert a singular noun into a dual noun in Arabic, you add to the end of that noun ani. So from lissun to lissani. حمارا, حمار means a donkey. وأخذه أحدهما. أخذه is from أخذ يأخذ, which means to take. ليبيعه, to sell it. يبيع is from باع يبيع, which means to sell. السوق means the market. الطريق means the way. طريق means a way. طبق means a plate, a vessel. So here it's talking about the plate that the man had on his head, and he had a fish inside that طبق, in that plate. أهذا الحمار للبيع? Is this donkey for sale? للبيع here means sale. بيع is noun and it means sale, while باع يبيع is the verb. And bay'un, it is the gerund, or you can say it's the noun, the verbal noun of باع يبيع. bay'un means selling or sale. فأجاب اللص. أجاب means to answer, to reply. اللص, again, it's thief. أمسك الطبق. أمسك, it is from أمسك يمسك, which means to hold. أمسك is the form of the verb that is used for ordering someone to do something. أمسك الطبق, hold this plate. أجربه, it is from جرب يجرب, which means to test, to examine. Here the person asks the thief to give him the donkey so that he can test it, so that he can examine it, so that he can decide whether he wants to buy the donkey or not. وركب الحمار. ركب يركب means to ride. ابتعد يبتعد means to get away from something or someone. Here وعندما ابتعد عن اللص. وعندما and when ابتعد عن اللص, he got away from the thief. أزقة means a street or an alley. واختفى اختفى means to hide, and he hid. وهرب بالحمار. هرب is from هرب يهرب, which means to flee, to escape, to run away. خدع is again the passive form of the verb خدع. It is from خدع يخدع, which means to deceive, to scam someone. The most important word here, I think, is رأس المال. رأس المال is the exact price that you pay for something. Here, as you can see, the thief said, I gave him the donkey برأس ماله, with the price that we had bought it for. What he means to say is that we robbed another person and we got robbed as well. So there's no loss. وهذا الطبق, and this plate, ربح is the profit. ربح means profit.